Let me show you all of the gestures and motions on the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G. So we're going to start by opening settings, and we need to find gestures and motions. They are located in the additional settings right here, and then there's the gesture shortcuts. So now we can see the list with all of them, and the first thing is Launch Digital Assistant. Here, if you activate it, it will allow you to call out Google Assistant if it's also enabled by holding a power button for half a second. So as you can see, it opens my assistant and it works fine. Then we have the take screenshot. Two options here. The first one is to press volume down button and power button at the same time. So volume down is right here and power right here. This will take a screenshot on your phone. So let me actually try to use it. As you can see, it also works fine. And the last one is slide 3 fingers from top of the screen to also capture a screenshot. Next thing is the partial screenshot. Now if you press and hold 3 fingers onto the screen, this will create a partial screenshot. And the difference is that the partial screenshot allows you to capture a specific part of the screen and then you can save it. Next thing is launch camera. You can use shortcuts to open camera. Either double press the power button right here, just click on the power button twice to launch the camera, or double press volume down button when the screen is locked. And this only works when the screen is locked, so you will need to lock your device, and double press volume down button. And next thing is launch flashlight or turn on flashlight, and here if you activate it, it will replace the camera or vice versa shortcut with that one. So now if we replace it and double press on the power button, it will activate the flashlight. Next thing is the power off. If you select that, you will learn how to power off your device. You can press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, or press and hold power button and volume up button at the same time to call out the power menu, which allows you to turn off your device. Now keep in mind that this option right here doesn't work quite well with the digital assistant, as sometimes you can mix up those two and accidentally power off your device when you try to call out Google Assistant. And that is basically each and every gesture that you can find on this phone. So that is everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.